Ka sorkar MDA2 kala menjer ya ki kendon bala Pynkylla thamai jong ki Office Memorandum ki bayadai bat ka reservation policy bala treikam ka roster system. Ka sorkar jala kala shim ya kane ka rai haka jingyalang jong ka kenhuan menteri ka balong haka arphun yaw tarek haka jing penyaj u kongrat ke sangma. Ka sorkar kala Pynkylla ya ka memorandum barem ka jingdan ki kam bala penbena bakilat kadai ban long khandai ne baduna ya ki bala mang shakijat benriu badai ban yo kan treikam shu namar on hap treikam no ya ki kendon ka rosta ha ka reservation. Ka kenhuan menteri kala Pynkylla ya ka Office Memorandum ka bala penmi haus nam khat khandai spa nyo posau ka bayadai bat ki kam balaj ya ki bala mang shakipat garo. Ka OM menshwa ka ailad ya ki garo ki basa shabar ka jelaru ki dang la ban yo ya ka bhah ki garo. Nani shakmat ki kam bala mang shakipat garo on hap ban thap betik tangda ki samla wat kam garo ki badai napo ka jela. Shuk ke kabinet kala Pynkylla ru ya ka OM jong usnam hajar arpau kabaya day bat ka reservation roster na kabanta ki brio ki badan jingduna ha ka dekhotmet ha ka ba na ni shakmat ka jing ai bha ya ki brio baduna dekhotmet kan long kat kom balabo ha ka reservation roster kani ka jing Pynkylla thamai kamut ba ka OM ka barem kan treikam shu. Ka kenhuan menteri kelawan raru ya kat kendon thamai ban penrong haka OM jong ka reservation policy na kabenta ki samla wat kam ki bathap ya ki kam balaj haki district ki samla wat kam bathap kam lingba ki district selection committee ki dei ban qualify ya ka tien ka thliet jong ka district. Ka kenhuan ban Pynkylla thamai no ya ki kendon jong ka Meghalaya District Court Ministerial Service hajar arpau kani kat Pynkylla ba ki kam haki District Court kemdai satya ki bala ban Pynkylla. Shuk ka kabinet kala menjer banang ai bor shuk ya ki DGP, IGP, DIGP, SP ha ka liang kapla pisa katkom ka schedule 4 of the Meghalaya Delegation of Finance Power Rule hajar nrio. Ka kabinet kalaya keranru halor ki program bat ki project katanat urban ka bayadai bat ka jingkapnya ka surak ka jingsam umbam umdi ka skywalk ka children park bat ki way.
The first agenda that was passed by the cabinet today was it has passed the proposal for the amendment of the Meghalaya District Courts Ministerial Service 2020. Henceforth, district courts will be authorized to omit and delete rule number 33, and henceforth the DSC rules will also apply in the district courts. What do you call it? Job and employment.
Yes, and no transfer from
no
one district to the
transfers.
other
Yeah.
district.
So that is the first thing. The ministerial service rule. It was amended today. We've deleted rule 33, and henceforth the district Meghalaya District Court's ministerial service rules will ensure that jobs are not transferable. The second decision taken was we've amended, the cabinet was pleased to amend OMs of the personal department on reservation policy, reservation roster. In the new situation where we have a new cabinet memo regarding the implementation of the roster in the state of Meghalaya, we were now able to omit certain erroneous memorandums that were issued in the previous years, 1970. For example, in 1972, 12/01/1972, the OM relating to vacancies for scheduled tribe and scheduled castes, with the notification which says that number of vacancies would be filled up as per roster point arrived at the reservation policy. Hence, the regulation of reservation in a situation where the number of vacancies is 9 or less would not be required anymore. So that has been amended. We also amended another one, modified version of the OM dated 1974. So the OM will be set aside, as it is being observed that most of the vacancies reserved for Garo categories have been and are being filled by qualified candidates from the Garo category who are available from within the state. So we are not, we have deleted the Office Memorandum which allowed Garos living outside the state of Meghalaya being eligible for applying for jobs in the state of Meghalaya. A third OM has also been looked at, and we have amended this. The OM of 2020 on reservation roster for persons with disabilities. It was notified then. However, with the issue of the new OM dated 14/6/23, the reservation for persons with disabilities have been fixed as per definite points in the reservation roster, and hence the previous OM will not be applicable henceforth. A proviso also has been added to this new reservation roster, provision of para 2, and in view of this, it has been found necessary that this proviso should also entail paragraph 2 to the OM incorporating a qualification paper, that is knowledge of local language, to be included for recruitment of categories of posts which fall under the purview of the District Selection Committee.